Hey, it's Kietha T. If you want to see how I made these delicious mango habanero wings, then keep watching. Just add a little oil to my pan. My wings have already been seasoned, salt, pepper, black pepper. Did I say salt, pepper? Salt, black pepper, seasoned salt. Some onions are in the bag. Y'all, this is what it looks like. It's been marinating. And we are going to we're going to fry them and then we're going to put them in the oven with some seasoning. So keep watching. Oh, they smell amazing, y'all. They've been marinated for a while now. They do have onions. Y'all see those onions stuck to the pieces of chicken? These are drumettes. Okay, we got all the drumettes in the frying pan. Onions are burning. So y'all saw I have my chicken marinating. I did not put any flour on my chicken. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. This time I chose not to use flour. Y'all see those onions stuck to the chicken? I told you they were burning. It's crispy onions. Chicken itself is not burning. Okay, let's go ahead and take the last couple of ones out. Then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, let's get some of this habanero sauce into our bowl. Right into the bowl. Let's start off with that much. We have a cooking sheet here. And we're just going to put, the chicken right into the sauce. A couple of pieces at a time. So we're just gonna toss them. Y'all see how easy that is? And then we're gonna put them in the oven. And put them right on this parchment paper. I think we're going to need to add some more sauce. Get those chicken drumettes well coated. Going to take the extra sauce and just put it over the wings because I want these babies well coated. And we're just going to put them in the oven for a little bit. My oven is on 400 degrees right now. They don't think. Here's the finished wings. They look amazing, don't they? Yeah, I know they do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss when I... Y'all, those wings look amazing. I know, and you know it too. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Become a part of the family. Thank you so much for watching, and keep your eyes open for the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss when I post other cooking videos. Look at that chicken, y'all. Oh, I can't wait to get into it.